So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are going to learn something more in Flutter. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to again learn something more about the bottom navigation bar. Basically it's not about learning in bottom navigation bar, but it's about animating the bottom navigation bar and making to some point fancy. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right into our code, and after that we will see what is the output of our code. As I have made in my previous or back-to-back video, that I have made a curved navigation bar, and in this navigation, in this part we are gonna make it to some point fancy. Okay, so it has a dependency which is this fancy bottom navigation. Okay, so just type the fancy underscore bottom underscore navigation and search for the version that you will be coding. At my time of coding it is 0.3.2, and it can be different in future. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right into our code. It is first we will import the material dart, and after that we will import the fancy bottom navigation bar. Yeah, okay, now we will just call the void main, and after that we will just call the run app. Okay, and now we will create a name, and yeah, and now I will create a stateless class, and its name will be my app. Okay, yeah, so and after that we will change the container to material app. Yeah, and in that we will just give it a title will be the fancy navigation bar, and after that what we can give a theme. We can give a theme data. Theme data can be, let me give it a primary color like colors dot teal. Yeah, it might suit. Come on, my system hanged. No. Okay, to some point it happens to me every time I make video that my system just get crashed, but not this time, I hope so. Okay, and we have set the debug show checkboard banner as false, and now we'll set it the home as index. Okay, and now we will create a stateful class, and its name will be index, and now we'll change the scaffold. Come on, yeah, and after that we will set a app bar, and we are gonna set the app bar. Okay, and in that we will give it a title as a text. Sorry guys about my writing. Okay, and now we will give it name as fancy navigation bar. Come on, why am I typing every A as capital? Okay, and now after that we are going to set the center title as true. Okay, and after that we will set the body. Okay, and for that body we are going to create a tab, and we will set the tab as index id. Okay, and after that we are gonna just call the bottom navigation bar, and in that we are gonna call the fancy navigation bar. Yeah, this is it, fancy navigation bar. Okay, so you can see that it has two things. Okay, so we are gonna add these things here. Okay, so let me just set something like this so that it can be much more easier for us to so in that what can we do? Okay, here we will have what we can have. Firstly we will have a tab. Okay, and so here we will have a tab data. Come on, tab data. Yeah, so it has a tab data, so we are gonna just give 3 items here. We're not gonna give more than that. Come on, sorry. Okay, so firstly we will have a icon data. So firstly icons dot home. Okay, icon dot home, and after that we're gonna give it a title like home. Okay, we are gonna copy this, paste it 3 times, and we are just gonna set it as what we can set, settings, and here we can set it as profile Okay, so let it be settings. Setting, is there anything like, yeah, setting, and here we can give a profile. Do we have a profile? No profile, we don't have a profile name, so we can set it a user. Yeah, let it be. Oh, verified. Okay, let it be. I'm not gonna concentrate there. So we have a tab here, so we are gonna create a tab. So if you have watched my bottom navigation bar video, so I have done that in that video, that we are gonna create a widget, array of widgets. Okay, and in that widget we are gonna give what we are gonna give. We are gonna give a center. Okay, and in that center we we are gonna have, sorry, we are gonna have a child, and it will have what can it have? It can have a text. Okay, so let it have a text, and after that we are gonna set the style, and we will set the text style to the size. Font size will give it a 25.0. okay, and we are just gonna copy this, paste it here 3 times, and we are gonna set it, sorry, we are gonna set it as settings, and we are change it as profile. Yeah, and after that we are gonna give int id is equal to 0. So it is 2 point done, and now here what we will do, we are gonna call index. Does it show any error? No, it does not show any error. So we will set the state, and in that state we are gonna just set the id as the index. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, so it's done. Okay, so if you haven't watched my bottom navigation bar video or my previous curved navigation bar video, just go to that and you will understand what the tab does. Okay, basically just create the tab that the bottom navigation bar has, and yeah, like every app has. If you have used the Paytm, or if you have used the Ghana app, okay, it has a bottom navigation bar. Okay, like our YouTube app also has the bottom navigation bar. So it has 4 to 5 elements. This tab of widget just shows that it will have the body part of that bottom navigation bar. Okay, that is the tab data here, that is this data will be linked to this tab widget. Okay, so let us just take my USB cable and let me just attach it to my system, and let's see what the output comes. Okay, so that we can see the result. Okay, and let me just open my developer option, because I always use I don't use a emulator, and because I don't prefer that using, because many things are not available in emulator. So let me just connect my device. Okay, come on. Okay, so you can see that the device has been connected to my laptop. So we are going to just run the app. 1 second, just okay, yeah, 1 second. So yeah, so let the app run. Okay, it will just resolve all the dependency, it will build the Gradle and each and everything. So let us build and let us see what the output comes. Okay, so, and if you haven't liked our YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you are new to this channel, and just make sure to like our Facebook page, just because I just upload all the things related to Flutter and the coding stuff over there. Okay, the screenshot and each and everything that I can't make video on, so I just make the screenshot, take the git code and upload that in my GitHub repository. The link of the Facebook page and the GitHub repository is in the description below, and you can also have a one-to-one conversation with me in our Instagram page. The link is my CodeCave. Just go for that and get over me. Okay, we can have a one-to-one conversation over there. And if you wanna join our Flutter page, sorry, Flutter group, okay, the link of the WhatsApp group is in the description below. Just go to that. So we will meet up after the APK has been built. Okay, just wait. So the APK has been built and it's now installing the APK in my phone. So you can just see this is the screen at this corner or this corner. I don't know where I will be posting that screen. Okay, so I might think it will be here. Okay, so this is the developer option and everything it has been enabled. So we will just wait for a few seconds because the APK has been built and is now installing. It will not take much time. Okay, so let us just wait because I don't want the video to be much more longer. So it's all about 12 minutes for me making that. Okay, come on, just build it up. We're gonna just okay. And yeah guys, if you have any problem regarding Flutter or any of the Android thing, okay, you can directly put the questions in the description. Okay, sorry, in the comment box, what I'm saying. So you can directly give your questions in the comment box, and I will definitely get back to you on that within few hours of your giving that question. Yeah, I'd say that I will definitely do that if you type the question, and I will definitely reply to that within 2 to 3 hours. Okay, and if you want to have a instant reply with me, you can just get to our group. Okay, or you can just contact me on the Instagram page. Okay, so the APK has now been built, and yeah, this is the white screen, and let us see the output. So it will now sync the app mobile and the laptop for the hot reload and other debugging process. So let's just wait. Let's see, just ignore the background noise guys, because you know that the family stuff and other thing. So you can see that we have a home page. We have we have changed this. It goes to setting. As I click on the profile, it takes us to profile, back to setting, back to home, back to setting, back to home. Okay, so just we can see that we have thing done. So that's all for today, and I hope you like that video. So that's all for today. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and share with your friend. So thank you, have a nice day.